Okay guys, good evening because it is now about 9:45, and actually just now one of my friend actually texted me and told me the prices of the new Proton Iriz, which actually last Friday my Iriz turned 1 year old. Okay, now I got my car for 45,000, as I say many times in my video, and I couldn't fucking believe that the new Iriz 1.3 CVT standard spec only costs about 38,000 without insurance, of course. And to be honest, I just feel a bit sad about it because, like, well, I got the car last year, and this year they suddenly updated the vehicle out of nowhere, right? I wasn't actually expecting this MC2 update because what I know from Proton is that whenever they launch a car, okay, whenever they launch a car, let's say they launch the Proton Suprema S, alright, and you just observe their actions, how long did it take them to update the lineup, okay, because they launched the car in 2013 and all the way until 2018 only did they make a slight update for the car. So when I got the Iriz Refinement last year, I was thinking that maybe this Iriz Refinement will stay on for the next 2 to 3 years before another update comes in. But I didn't expect a sudden update to come in 2019. Okay, fine. Of course, the refinement came out in 2017. But the thing is that this update really came quite soon. Honestly, it came so soon for Proton because normally Proton, as I know of, even if they make an update, right, they don't actually put in so many new features. But this time for the new Proton Iriz, of course, you get a new meter cluster, you get the high proton functionality without being able to control your windows and your aircon controls. But you also get many other new stuff as well, which you get a new infotainment system, you get a new gear knob across the board, and of course a new exterior design. So I'm thinking, like, if you want an Iriz now, right, let me tell you what you should get, right? Never get an MC1 refinement or what, because to me, if you compare the specifications with the new Proton Iriz, I just think that the new Proton Iriz is something in a different league, honestly. I mean, like, last year 2 years ago when the new Myvi came out, right, a lot of people have been saying things like the new Myvi is way more competitive than the Iriz, okay, and then the Iriz feels ancient in comparison. And at the time when the new Myvi came out, of course the refinement is already there, like, because the refinement came out in June 2017. So yeah, now they added so many relevant features. Of course, with the Proton Iriz, they don't get AEB yet, which in my opinion, I think that the AEB system in the Proton Myvi is just not as good as we expect it to be, because an operational speed from maybe 4 km per hour until 30 km per hour, I just think that kind of speed range is just not enough to make people impressed with their AEB system. Of course, with the Arus, things are better lah. You can actually use that system from 4 km per hour to about 80 km per hour. I think that's for the braking system. For collision warning, okay, it works from 4 to 100 km, right? It is better, but still, I think that they should put the ASA 2.0 in the Proton Myvi, or else I don't see the point of why you need to upgrade from the H to AV spec in order to get AEB. But anyway, I just feel like I want to say congratulations to Proton for launching the new Iriz and Persona. Oh yeah, Persona, right? So in terms of looks, of course, they both have the infinite reef grille, which I think that it is rather, I would say that it looks fresher right now, okay? Because nowadays, with their new design language, right, you don't get the Proton bow again. What's the name? I mean, that chrome thing, which I suddenly forgot the name in this video, suddenly. Yeah, so basically, new Protons, they do look fresh, okay? And, I just think that for me, in my opinion, right, I still need some more time to get used to their new looks, because all of them, they look sportier in a way. Some people, they like the sharp looking face of the older Persona VVT. Some people, they like the more executive looking style of the new Persona VVT. And for me, what I would say is that it looks good, okay? At least many people still think that the new Proton Persona looks better than the Toyota Vios. Right, so guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now.